The city's crying tears of liquid light, reflecting on the canvas of the night. I'm moving through the veins of this old town, watching all the colors cascade down. A solitary driver on the open road, letting go of every heavy load. The rhythm of the wipers keeps the time, a hypnotic and repeating chime. The world outside my window starts to blur, a gentle, hazy, beautiful star. I'm caught up in the neon drift tonight, a gentle cruise into the fading light. Purple haze and streaks of electric blue, letting the steady rhythm pull me through. Yeah, I'm in the neon drift, just floating on from the moment dusk arrives till dawn. There's nothing wrong, and everything feels right, just drifting through the colors of the night. Streetlights paint a story on the glass, a silent movie as the moments pass. No destination, no specific place, just finding beauty in this empty space. The engine is a whisper, soft and low, following the current's easy flow. The rhythm of the wipers keeps the time, a hypnotic and repeating chime. The world outside my window starts to blur, a gentle, hazy, beautiful star. I'm caught up in the neon drift tonight, a gentle cruise into the fading light. Purple haze and streaks of electric blue, letting the steady rhythm pull me through. Yeah, I'm in the neon drift, just floating on from the moment dusk arrives till dawn. There's nothing wrong, and everything feels right, just drifting through the colors of the night. Let the past wash over me, a wave of sound as I move across this hollow ground. No need for words, no need to be profound, just in this perfect feeling I have found, drifting.